guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about which one of the social media platform is best for promoting your print on demand shop or in general promoting any of your services or any of your products in the online space. So I'm going to be talking about and covering some of the social media based on my own experience and knowledge so far, and based on what's working for me and what's not working for me. So let's dive in. Before we part, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so you'll be getting notified about it. Also you can check our website to get the free resources. The link is in description box below if you want to get any free resources, or you can simply head over to globocreative.com. Check out the freebie section, download it, and also soon we are going to starting with exclusive email newsletter to help you make more money. The link is in description box below. It's 100% free. You can subscribe to it whenever you want to, and if you change your mind later on, you can unsubscribe to it. Let's talk about the social media, because I think that this is one of the most common question while promoting your products, while promoting your print on demand products, because people say that, hey, promote it to social media to get the more sales, and also if you're looking for an affiliate way to make more money, because in one of my video that for the affiliate commission you can increase your commission and can make more money, especially for the case of the Zazzle. Like if you're promoting your own products, you also make the affiliate commission as well, and also the artistic and designer commission as well. So that's why this common question and doubt arises, which one of the social media platform is best, because nowadays we see that there are so many social media platforms and there's a lot more confusion. Some people say that it's dying and all those. So I'm going to be talking about that. Now, first of all, I'm going to be dividing all the social media platforms, all the platforms in the online space where you can promote your business, in basically into two categories. First is the search-based platforms, and another one is non-search-based platforms. The search-based platforms are kind of like a YouTube channel or a Pinterest or a blog article. There are two search-based platforms. The non-search-based platforms are Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, or maybe if you go for other social media platforms, if you have anything on your list, and you could very well go with that as well. So all these cover in these two categories. Now, according to my own personal experience and knowledge so far, I think that you need to go with not just one platform, but at least 2 to 3 platforms, or at least 2 platforms. One platform you can pick up from search-based platforms, and one you can pick up from non-search-based platforms. Because from my own experience, the non-search-based platforms are not that much reliable. Let me explain you why I think so. Because if you remember the Facebook back in the times of 2001-6, it was an amazing platform. Like there was so much engagement was there, but later on when the Facebook ads started, slowly the Facebook was decreasing in its engagement, and now this point comes up when you rarely see any engagement on Facebook page unless you don't go for the Facebook ads, and organic reach of the Facebook is nearly dead. If you're going with the Facebook group, then you might get engagement, or you have to go with the ads to if you're looking for promoting it. Same is the case of the Instagram. Like if you go back to the Instagram back in the 2010, 12, in fact 13, 14 as well, there was a good and amazing engagement. So the people who get started so early on this platform, they were having pretty much engagement, and they have having a huge followers right now. And nowadays you could see that the Instagram engagement each and every day or each and every month is almost about to going dead. Although they have started with the reels, now if you are using the reels right now, then you may be in a good shape. One of your reels may go viral, and you can see the pattern which one is going viral, and you can repeat more on that, make more such reels to get more engagement. But nearly the Instagram is about to dead soon, as the engagement is going on decreasing at all. Another platform that I want to cover over here is TikTok. TikTok is kind of like still a platform where you can grow organically, because people are still don't have that much of content in comparison to the people who are watching it, in comparison to the Instagram and Facebook. So you can still make more money, or still get the good engagement and good followers on the TikTok. With case of the Twitter, I see that some people say that Twitter is dead, and some people say that Twitter is not dead, still the engagement is there. Now personally for me, never give it a good try. I was never in a proper shape to actually give it full time to see whether Twitter work or not. So I'm not sure whether it's dead or it's still there. If I talk about the LinkedIn, LinkedIn, the organic reach is there. It's still there. You can get the organic reach, but LinkedIn kind of like a more professional, more business oriented stuff. Kind of like people where are looking more for companies or more professional stuffs. I don't know much about that, if people are promoting the print on demand products or print on demand services on the LinkedIn or not. I'm not really sure about it, but it's kind of like a professional and business kind of stuff. And the people that hang out on the LinkedIn are more kind of like a business minded people or kind of like that. But if your target customer or target customer avatar is not there on the LinkedIn, then it's not a good way to promote it. So these are the few basic platforms that I talk about in the non-search based platform. One thing I want to tell you guys, whenever you are picking up any platform, look for that on which your target or ideal customer is there. For example, if you're targeting the teenager or kids, then the TikTok is the best platform for you, because on TikTok there are more teenagers rather than in comparison of the Instagram. And if you're targeting the more old people, 40 plus or 50 plus, then you could very well target the Facebook. Facebook has more kind of like old population. So you could actually Google it and you could see the analysis of the each and individual platform, on which kind of platform, what kind of age group of people are more present. And depending on that, you can target. Personally, I have used the Facebook, but I'm not really that active on Facebook. I have the Facebook group, but that it's almost dead because I am too busy to actually manage that Facebook groups, and it takes a lot of time and effort if you're creating a Facebook group by yourself to have that engagement post. And also kind of like I am not that much active on Facebook. On the Instagram, I am active. I'm posting the reels, and some reels are going viral, some reels are going not that viral. If you're posting a pictures, then the engagement is very low. The stories engagement kind of like a similar, some day it goes amazing, some days goes is very less. So kind of like I can't rely much on the Instagram, so I can't say much about it. So these are my things about these platforms. Let's talk about the search based platform. The search based platform, the first of all is the YouTube. I think that YouTube is the best platform if you want to get started with anything to sell, for especially for your business, even for vlogging, even if you enjoy making these videos and uploading them. Of course, on YouTube, it will definitely going to take some time to get the results. You won't be gaining 1,000 subscribers in 1 month. It may happen for some of them, but rarely 99% of the cases, it does take 1 to 2 years. Like if you see the YouTube average, a YouTuber actually takes to reach 2,000 subscribers. They have like 1.5 to 2 years it takes to reach to 1,000 subscribers. So on YouTube, the growth is there. It's a search engine. So the video that you are posting right now will be searchable up till the platform is there. So that's really, really amazing. The video that you are publishing right now will make you money for this platform until this platform lasts. So that is an amazing thing about the YouTube. The content that you are posting on Instagram or today may not be there the next year, or may not be there for the next 2 years, and you won't be getting any traction, you won't be getting any engagement from that particular video. So that is a major difference between the search and non-search based platform. So YouTube is amazing if you want to get started with that. But if you're a person who don't enjoy making these videos, but if you love writing, then the blog is amazing for you. Of course, it does take some time to get the blog, good engagement, good views, visitors, and all those things. It doesn't happen overnight. You really, really have to be patient. You have to work your ass off to actually get the things done, because I know from myself, I write the blog articles and I don't enjoy writing that much as making these YouTube videos, but still I have to write it. So it's at times it takes my ass off to actually write a complete blog article, and I really feel like, what the hell am I doing? But that's the reality. The another platform I want to cover is the Pinterest. Pinterest is kind of like so much popular. I'm talking about and sharing your e-commerce business, or print on demand, or any kind of business. It's more popular, especially for the art and craft, for the cosmetics, for the apparels and all those kind of stuff, and also for the fashion, beauty, makeup products and all. So on the Pinterest, there is more kind of like a female based audience. Of course, the male audience is still there, but you can even Google and see the analysis of how many people and what are the different age group are actually going on a Pinterest. But Pinterest could be a great friend because you don't need that much of followers to actually gain traction. But also on the Pinterest recently, they started with the idea pins. I gave it a few try to test the idea pins. When I was posting the idea pins, I was getting huge views. The moment I stopped posting the idea pin, the engagement on my page is about to decrease. So I could say that you could do a Pinterest a try if you're a completely newbie and you want to have some platform. Then I would say have an Instagram page or have a Pinterest. But if you want to love making videos and if you want to try it, then YouTube could be your best friend. Expect to make not that much money in the first year of you being a YouTuber. Don't expect that much money you can make, but second year, third year, eventually you're gonna make good amount of money, not just from the YouTube ads. There would be affiliates, brand sponsorship, you could sell your own products, the merch. There is a lot more is there you can sell on the YouTube, and you can see the other YouTubers are selling a lot more in their YouTube videos. But it's still a long route. It's not a short-term route. So if you are a newbie, then I would say to prefer Instagram, and the second platform would prefer the Pinterest. Start with your Pinterest account, start posting the pins, pin your t-shirts or your apparels, your print-on-demand products each and every day. You're gonna see some traction, you're gonna see, and then you can check the analytics of your print-on-demand shop and to see that if you're getting any views or any engagement from the Instagram or Pinterest, and then you can see which one of the platform is working well for you, and slowly you can double down on the platform which is working amazing for you. And also guys, these things will going to change with time. Nothing is static. Always remember that nothing is static. So I would highly recommend you to go with making your own email subscriber list. That is really comes handy over here, because all these are dynamic, that they can change the every day, they can change the other year. Like, you don't control it, you can't control it, because these are the rented platforms. So start collecting the people emails are the big assets. Still, if you see the graphics, still if you see the stats, the people are buying more from the emails rather than they are buying from the Instagram, from the Pinterest, or from the YouTube. So there is a good engagement in the email, and you can collect the people emails and can build your email list depending on your niche, your interest, your hobby, your business, brand, whatever it is. You can go with the free software. I preferably use Mailchimp. Mailchimp is free for up to 2,000 subscribers, and then later on when you have more email subscribers, then you need to pay for their plan. That is a membership plan. Each year you can pay, and according to, there are so many platforms like SendFox is there. I'm also trying with the SendFox, the Mailchimp, then ConvertKit is there, then GetResponse is there. Like, there are so many of them, guys. So these are the few of them that I name over here. Like, up to few thousand subscribers, these are free. You can get started with a free plan. Later on, if you are building your list and it's working well, then you can of course do and go with the premium plan. There is a lot more in the email marketing. It's not just about building your email list. You need to send the emails to these people each and every week, the highly engagement emails, the people can engage with them, and there is a lot more is there. If you want a separate video for that, do let me know in the comment section below, because it deserves a separate video. There is a lot more to cover in the email marketing. But that is my thing about the social media platform. Hopefully you find today's video useful. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think. What are the social media platforms you are working on? What is working well for you? Do let me know in the comment section below, because I would really love to hear your own experience with the different social media platform, which is working well, which is not working. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.